Hey there, future superstars. Ever wonder how some people seem to have all the cool stuff, the awesome experiences, and even grow their money like magic beanstalks? It's not secret spells or hidden treasures. It's something way simpler, and guess what? You can do it too. So, you want to be super successful? Maybe save up for that amazing video game, or even start your very own money-growing garden. But sometimes, it feels like a giant mountain, right? Because in this video, we're going to unlock the one super simple secret that connects awesome successful people to awesome growing money. And it's all about the power of daily habits. Like, where do I even begin? Or, B, you've tried to start saving, and it just fizzled out. Then buckle up, because Professor Wise Owl and Penny Piggy Bank are about to show you. Well, get ready to unleash your financial superpowers. Are you ready to see how tiny, everyday actions can grow into huge results? Professor Wise Owl, hoo-hoo, young learners. Here are some super simple daily habits you can start right now to grow your financial garden. Welcome. Think of a habit like brushing your teeth. Every time I get some money, like from chores or my birthday, I put just a little bit, maybe 10% of it, straight into my savings jar. I don't even think about it anymore. It's automatic. These are small, easy actions you do every day, or almost every day, that add up to something big. They're like tiny seeds you plant that grow into a magnificent money tree. For 1 week, try writing down everything you spend money on. Even that small candy bar or soda, you'll be amazed at what you discover. It helps you see where your money really goes. Over time, that muscle gets stronger and stronger. This is your future self thanking your present self. You probably do it every morning and night without even thinking, right? It's something you do regularly, almost on autopilot, but it doesn't. It usually goes to all those little treats we buy without thinking. Professor Wise Owl. Well, just like brushing your teeth keeps your smile bright, financial habits keep your money future bright. 1 penny today might seem small, but what happens if you save 1 penny every single day for a year? Or 5 years, it adds up to a lot of pennies. And those pennies can grow into dollars, and those dollars can grow even more. This is the power of daily habits. Penny Piggy Bank. So, even if I just save 1 shiny penny every day, that's a habit, and it matters. Professor Wise Owl, exactly? Penny, that's the magic. See? It's not about being perfect or saving a ton of money all at once. It's about being consistent, doing a little bit, day after day, week after week. Professor Wise Owl, now that we know what habits are, let's plant some money seeds. Habit Seed 1. The Save a Little Something habit. Penny Piggy Bank. This is my favorite. Professor Wise Owl. Excellent, Penny. Even if it's just $1, or even 50 cents, putting it aside regularly means you're building a savings muscle. Habit Seed 2. The Track Your Treats habit. Ever wonder where all your money goes? It's like it disappears into thin air. Professor Wise Owl. This habit is about simply noticing. Penny Piggy Bank. Wow, I bought a lot of bouncy balls I didn't even remember. If I saved that money, I could buy that new super-duper bouncy castle. This isn't about stopping fun. It's about making smart choices. When you see where your money goes, you have the power to decide if that bouncy ball is more important than your bouncy castle. It's all part of the power of daily habits. It could be watching a video like this, reading a simple article, or even asking a grown-up how they save money. The more you know, the smarter your money decisions will be. Professor Wise Owl, exactly, but how do we make sure they stick? Like super glue, not just a sticky note that falls off. Habit Seed 3. The Learn Something New habit. The best investors aren't just good at saving, they're good at learning. Start with something so tiny it feels silly not to do it. Like saving $1, or even just 1/4, every day. Once that's easy, then you can slowly save more. Professor Wise Owl, Spend just 5 to 10 minutes each day learning something new about money. We've covered saving a little, tracking your spending, and learning something new. And we've learned to start small, make it easy, and celebrate. Penny piggy bank. So, learning about money is like building my brain muscles for future riches. Cool. Let's talk about how to avoid them. It's better to save a small amount consistently than try to save a huge amount once and then give up. Remember, tiny steps are key to the power of daily habits. Professor Wise Owl. Precisely. Knowledge is a superpower, and when it comes to money, it's the strongest superpower of all. Write it down, draw a picture of it, and put it somewhere you can see it every day. Your why is your fuel. Okay, we've got some awesome habits to try. When you stick to a habit for a week or a month, give yourself a small, non-money reward. Maybe an extra hour of screen time or a special treat. Celebrating makes your brain want to do it again. Professor Wise Owl, great question. Put your savings jar right where you can see it. Want to learn about money? Keep that book next to your bed. On one side, we have someone who tries to save a lot of money once in a while, then spends it all, and never learns about money. That's the daily habit way. Which one do you think leads to more success and more money? Don't underestimate the power of tiny steps. That's the start and stop way. The less effort it takes, the more likely you'll do it. Start today, even with one tiny habit, and watch your future bloom. Here's how to make your habits super strong. You start with training wheels, then you go faster. What's one tiny habit you're going to start today to grow your money or make your life better? Tell us in the comments below. Click that button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more easy to understand ways to build your wealth. Professor Wise Owl. Tip 1. Start super small. Don't try to save $1 million tomorrow. Penny piggy bank. Oh, so it's like learning to ride a bike. Professor Wise Owl. Perfect analogy. Penny. And this is key to the power of daily habits. Professor Wise Owl. Tip 2. Make it easy and obvious. Want to save money? Professor Wise Owl. Tip 3. Celebrate your wins. Now, for a quick check-in, remember how daily habits are like tiny seeds that grow into big money trees. Professor Wise Owl. Sometimes, even with the best intentions, we hit a few moments. Mistake 1. Trying to do too much, too soon. Penny piggy bank. I tried to save all my money at once, and then I really wanted a toy, and I spent it all. Oops. Professor Wise Owl. That's okay, Penny. Mistake 2. Forgetting your why. Sometimes we start a habit, but then we forget why we started. Professor Wise Owl. Always remember your goal. Is it that new video game? A special trip? Saving for college? Comparison. The right way versus the wrong way. Let's compare. On the other side, we have someone who saves a little every day, tracks their spending even just for a week, and watches one short money video a day. Penny piggy bank. The daily habit way. It's like building with Legos, piece by piece, until you have something amazing. You got it, Penny. So, what's the super simple secret to getting rich and building an awesome future? Professor Wise Owl. It's all about the power of daily habits. Professor Wise Owl. Remember these key takeaways. Small actions add up to big results. Consistency is king. Doing a little bit every day is far better than a lot once in a blue moon. Learning and tracking are your money superpowers. Penny piggy bank. And remember to start super small, make it easy, and celebrate your wins. You can do it. You now have the secret. You have the power to build incredible routines that will lead you to amazing success in your money and in your life. If this video helped you understand the power of daily habits, give us a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. It really helps our channel grow. And if you want more super simple money secrets and self-improvement tips from our cartoon crew, make sure you subscribe right now. We'd love to hear from you. And if you know someone who needs this money superpower secret, be a superhero yourself and share this video with them. Thanks for watching, future financial superstars. Keep building those amazing habits, and we'll see you next time.